Hey guys, how are you? This is going to be another get ready with me. I haven't done one, I think in about a month or so, and I'm going to be using the palette that's in my Project Pan Porn, which is the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I have already primed my eyes and put a cream shadow down just to save some time, and I do the same step pretty much every time. I will leave the products in the description box, so let's get into the eye look. And as you can see, my skin's freaking out a little bit right now. It is a week before that time of the month for me, which is pretty much when my skin freaks out and I get moody. So I'm breaking out on my chin, I have one up here, and then I have some like scars up here, so please don't pay attention to that. Skin is skin, it happens, whatever. So I'm going to be using my Yes Please palette today. Here are what the colors look like, and as you can see, I've already hit pan on 2 shades. I do want to go for a more sunset look today, and this is a look I do with my Yes Please palette a lot. I'm going to go in with the gold shade first, and of course I'm going to wet this one because for me it doesn't apply the best on my eyes unless I wet it. And I might not talk too much about the products. Some get ready with me as I do and some I don't, but we'll see what happens. I also really want to talk about some of my beauty goals for the year. I do have a list of them. They're not like major goals. I already have goals for my collection, and honestly, like I said in my makeup inventory video, those aren't set in stone, but I do have a couple beauty goals that I wrote down. One of the goals I have is that I want to mask 1 to 2 times a week. The past couple weeks of 2018, I've been doing once, and I did one on Friday this week. And I'm planning on doing one tonight. I'm going shopping with my sister, so that's why I'm getting ready right now, and I just decided to film it. But I feel like my skin has just not been that great over the last couple months because I have been neglecting my masks. And I like to do like clay masks, and like I have the Matcha Reserve mask, which I'm trying to use up as well, and I feel like that does nice things for my skin, but I feel like my skin's just been so neglected recently. Just mask-wise, I do my other skincare as well, but I would really like to get back into masking this year. Going into that Bling shade, and I'm gonna put it like right here. I like to have it on my lid a little bit, and this is the Ready shade that I really like from the palette. I'm gonna be taking French Kiss and darkening my outer corner. Another goal that I have for this year is I want to find my perfect foundation. I have been transitioning to go cruelty-free for the last, I'd say like 6 months or so, and that is definitely one of the areas that I struggle in to find a good foundation and like my perfect foundation. I'm very pale with yellow undertones, so it's really hard to find my shade, especially in the winter. I definitely don't have as hard of a time in the summer. I'm definitely struggling to find a good cruelty-free foundation. I'm just applying that Bling shade to intensify it a little bit more. With some of the Colourpop shimmer pressed shadows, I feel like my finger really applies them the best. But please let me know some of your cruelty-free foundation recommendations. I have tried several of them, and I actually prefer drugstore foundations to high-end, but also one of my goals is to splurge on a high-end cruelty-free foundation this year. I've been wanting the Too Faced Born This Way for a couple years now and just never bought it, so that's one I'm definitely looking into. I was looking into the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation, but we all know what's going on with that. Very disappointing shade range, and honestly I feel like the foundation just seems okay, which is really disappointing because it was a major launch and Tarte really messed up. But anyway, another goal that I really want to work on for 2018 is to try new eyeshadow colors and shapes. As you guys know, I pretty much do the same eyeshadow shape in every single video and every day of my life, and I really want to try different shapes. LS really inspires me with her eyeshadow. She does really crazy colors and really cool shapes. I have hooded eyes, so I don't have much lid space to work with compared to other people, which is annoying, but I just definitely need to improve my eyeshadow skills. I've definitely gotten better over the years, but I just feel like I've gotten in such a rut with eyeshadow, and I have been experimenting with colors more this year, but not shapes. Like I really want to try a cut crease and a halo eye. I'm going to step away from the camera for a sec and do my winged liner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. So I just did my winged liner, filled in my brows a little bit, and applied mascara off camera, and my wings are not the best, but they could be worse. I'm not one of those people who can do their foundation with their hair down. I honestly use a headband every time I apply my foundation, but I feel like on camera it makes me look like a little boy. So I'm just going to go without the headband for now. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Found Beauty Smoothing Face Primer, and I'm getting very low on this one. This is kind of like a gel primer. None of my skin products match me right now, so I literally have to mix every single one of my products. So I'm going to be mixing the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation as well as the e.l.f. Flawless Finish. This is the Bare Pro, it is the lighter one. I typically apply my foundation with a brush, but for today I want to try something a little different. I don't do this all the time, maybe like once a week. I'm just going to try blending in with my sponge. This is the Ego Tool sponge. Ew, what the heck is that? Had some fuzz on my face. Definitely gonna need some more coverage, at least for my preferences, so I'm gonna apply some more. Gonna go in with my brush. I really need to wash my makeup brushes. They are nasty, but I think I'm going to do that today. Let's go into some more beauty goals. So one of them for me is to wear more natural makeup to work. My work is very laid back, and I can wear jeans to work, and our culture is just very chill, laid back, and I really enjoy it. So I can wear literally any kind of makeup I want to work. I've worn glitter to work. I've worn like the Stila glitter to work. I have not worn a dark lip yet, but I have worn Glass Blue from Colourpop on my lids, which is like a duochrome blue color. So my work really doesn't care that much, and I honestly don't think they would care if I did wear a dark lip. I just feel like it's high maintenance for like a 12-hour day. I just think it would be nice sometimes to experiment more with natural makeup. Like maybe just wearing my normal face routine, but just wearing like just mascara and see how that would look on my face. And it would definitely save me time in the morning. I feel like my skin's been really dry lately, so yesterday I decided to spray my rose water after my foundation before powder. So I'm gonna do that now because I really enjoyed the effect of it. I'm gonna set my face with a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way powder, and I'm gonna try not to apply a ton. You guys are probably sick of me using the same kind of blush, highlight, and contour, but I'm going to be using my Butter Bronzer to contour, and I'm not going to talk through this because I just suck at talking and contouring. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Princess Daiquiris Ombre Blush. I love this. And another goal that I have for 2018 for my beauty goals is to paint my nails and toes more. I actually painted my toes yesterday, but didn't have time to paint my nails. Definitely something I would like to do more because I just feel prettier with my nails painted. I pick it off if it starts to smudge or crack, but I just need to do that more just for a personal thing. No one's telling me I have to paint my nails more, but I just feel like I want to. I'm gonna highlight with my e.l.f. Shimmer Powder in Pearl Glow. I love this. I haven't been using it a lot because I was focusing on some eyeshadows in my Pan That palette and Project Pan Porn that I really want to make some progress on. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this highlighter so much. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of Champagne Pop to make it a little bit gold because if it reflects, it does look a little bit cool toned on my skin right now. Oh yeah, that's better. My highlight might offend some people today because it is really bright. Face is done. Now I'm gonna move on to underneath my eye. So for that, I'm gonna start with Bling, and that's gonna go on my outer half. Now I'm going to go in with that gold on the center to my inner corner. In the Yes Please palette, there's no color that's light enough for me personally to use on my inner corner, so I'm going to go in with my same highlight that I used from e.l.f. Just finished off the eyes with some mascara. And lastly, we have lips. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the Colourpop lip liner in Brink, and this is a warmer nude color. And I'm trying to use up my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose, so that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to keep my hair in the ponytail because I just don't really feel like dealing with it today. But anyway, here is the final look. I'm very happy with how this look turned out. This is one of my go-to looks that I use with my Colourpop Yes Please palette. I hope you enjoyed the video and hearing some about my 2018 beauty goals and seeing me get ready for the day. Also, if you have questions about Project Panning, leave them down below because I am planning on doing a Project Pan Q&A soon. I've gotten comments on my videos recently asking how I get through products so quickly, and I definitely would love to do a Q&A. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.